A 1994 Ford F250 with a 7.3 IDI factory turbo diesel engine in it. Pretty clean for a Canadian truck, but it's been completely rebuilt. When I first got it, it had quite a bit of rust. It was corroded. The cab was all fucked up. So the cab's from an American truck. As you can see, it is not a truck that's babied. It is used to be to tow my 30-foot trailer and my Jeeps around. Again, not really a show truck, but try to keep it as clean as possible. And it is a 5-speed. Again, I repainted the whole entire truck myself. Also Dynamat the whole floor, plus the foam insulation, because you know, fucking Northern Canada is pretty damn cold. Also have the full vinyl plastic flooring. Pretty dirty, but again, I use it as a work truck, not a show truck. So a few weeks ago, well, beginning of September, I got a little mishap here locally in Goose Bay, Labrador. You cannot pump your own diesel at the gas station because there's only one station in town owned by one family. They overcharge your diesel and also add a servicing charge because they pump it them. So I stopped at the gas station to get some diesel, and they actually put gasoline in it instead. I did not notice until I drove off and then drove into town and drove around for about a good half hour till it completely died on me. And then when I contacted the C-store, which is a gas station, they got it towed, flushed it, and then I had asked them to do a compression test since the engine was a healthy 7.3 before the fuck up, but they decided that it was not worthwhile to test. And when I got the truck back, went back to a other garage because C-store and the Woodward family owns half the town. So I went to an independent garage, got it compression tested, and it miserably failed. So I contacted the manager / owner of Woodward's C-store, which is a gas station, and basically what she offered me was $500 to shut me up to walk away. And when I told her that it was unacceptable, it did not even cover the injectors for this truck or the injection pump. If there was any internal damage, I should just stop answering my emails. So fucking thumbs up the fucking C-store. Anyways, hopefully I'll be getting this thing back up and going soon. It does run, but runs like a bag of shit. So yeah, we'll have to see. My buddy in Ontario's got a engine for me, but again, it's a 7-day drive to Ontario, so I'll have to go step by step first. Start with actually talking to lawyers and get them to contact C-store, aka Woodward's, because Stephanie has stopped actually talking to me, which is not cool, really. Like, if you fucked up, you fucked up, and that the fact that you've owned up to it and then just flushed it and thought it was all goody goo goo, well, no, it is still fucked up. So yeah, that's my fucking 4-minute rant of having only one fucking supplier of fuel in Labrador and them having the monopoly. Anyways, fucking, I gotta say thanks to Baytech for doing the compression test for me to validify my suspicions that there was a few bad cylinders now. And yeah, should be more videos of this sucker up soon. Adios.